So in this one we are going to solve the question number 1 of exercise 4.5. Question is the square READ, that is read, with RE is equals to 5.1 centimeter. So first we have to draw the rough figure. Okay, as you know that square having all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. Okay, so first draw this rough figure and just give name R E A D, read. Okay, where RE is 5.1 centimeter. If RE is 5.1 centimeter, then AE will also be 5.1 centimeter, RD will also be 5.1 centimeter, and AD will also be 5.1 centimeter, and all this angle is 90 degree. So this is our rough figure. Now after that we have to first draw the base, that is RE. Okay, let's draw it here. Okay, first draw a line segment RE of 5.1 centimeter. Okay, 5.1 centimeter. Draw RE is equal, which is 5.1 centimeter. Okay, now after that in square all the angles are 90 degree, so angle R and angle E we have to construct 90 degree on both angles. Okay, so first from R we will do, give the needle compass at point R, then just draw a semicircle. Okay, with the same measurement keep the needle of the compass at this point, cut an arc of 60 degree. Okay, from with the same measurement cut an arc of 120 degree. Okay, so first keep the needle of the compass at this point, cut an arc of 60 degree, and again on the same semicircle which you had drawn from point R, cut another arc. Okay, now with the same measurement keep the needle of the compass at this point, now cut an arc. Okay, again keep the needle of this compass at this point, again cut an arc. Look, the two arcs are intersecting. Okay, now where the two arcs are intersecting, that point and the point R, these 2 points you have to join them. Okay, you have to join them. Okay, now after that again same 90 degree you have to construct at point E. Okay, take any measurement, or if you are going to take the same measurement then also it's okay. Just draw a semicircle. Okay, now after that keep the needle of the compass at this point, then cut an arc of 60 degree. Again keep the needle of the compass at this point, cut another arc of 120 degree. Then after that with the same measurement cut an arc at upside from 60 degree. Okay, then with the same measurement cut another arc from 120 degree which you had drawn. Okay, just like this. Okay, again take any measurement, keep the needle of the compass at E point, construct a semicircle. Okay, then from this point with the same measurement cut first arc which is 90 degree, then from this point cut another arc which is 120 degree, and again with the same measurement keep the needle of the compass at this point, cut an arc at upside. Then with the same measurement keep the needle of the compass at this point, then cut another arc upside. Okay, now where these two arcs are intersecting, okay, just that intersecting point and point E. Join them. Okay. Yeah. Now again. Now RD and A, that is the sides of the square, is how much? It is 5.1 centimeter. So take the measurement of 5.1 centimeter in your compass like this. From R, cut an arc, the ray which you have drawn. Then from point E, cut an arc on the ray which you have drawn. After that, give this name as D, give this name as A. Now join them. This is become your square READ. Okay.